There are several differences when working with platinum compared to gold and silver, which I will cover in this video. To follow along, the materials you will need are: because platinum is annealed and soldered at a very high temperature, special soldering tools are required. You will need to wear a number 5 or number 6 welding glasses. Platinum anneals at 1800 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is achieved when the metal reaches a bright orange color. I will use a mallet and pliers to bring the ends together into a D shape. I will anneal the ring before soldering the ends together. Once it has reached my desired size, I will begin to clean up the band with a series of files, sanding sticks, and rubber wheels. Polishing platinum requires its own set of polishing compounds and buffs. It takes much longer to achieve a high polish on platinum than it does with gold and silver. Working with platinum can be intimidating, but its durability, color, and shine is unmatched.